Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do some more complex 3D shapes and talk a little bit about kind of decorative features, right? Because we're still kind of pretending to be interior designers, so I'd like you to decorate your room and have fun with it. But let's start with applying one point perspective to some slightly more complex shapes. I'm going to put an armchair over here. And so just like with our bed and our dresser, right, we started with the shape, the front-facing shape. That was a rectangle for both of those. So in an armchair, it's going to be a slightly different shape. But I'm still going to start with that. Alright, so I think my armchair is going to look something like this. And obviously, chairs come in lots of different shapes and sizes, so yours might look a little bit different depending on the style you're going for. So now, instead of just 4 corners, my shape has a bunch of corners. Alright, so I'm going to connect all of the corners that face the vanishing point to the vanishing point, inside corners as well. If I have a curve, I'm connecting kind of the highest point of the curve. And then my corner over here. And this corner I don't have to worry about because if I connected it to the vanishing point, it would just go right through the chair. So we wouldn't see it. Alright, I've got my pencil. Alright, and again, I don't really want to draw over my bed line, so I'm just going to stop there, imagining that my lines are going all the way to the vanishing point. Okay. So now this is just the armrest here. Right, and then the shape changes. Going to adjust that. Actually, this line's going to stay the same. Keep that one. And then the seat would probably come down here. So I'm going to connect that to my vanishing point. And let's say then I need another armrest. This is looking more like a love seat. That's okay. Keep it. And another vertical for the other side of my other armrest. And I erase any lines that I don't need, particularly, lines that my armchair is on top of. There we go. So I want you, there are a lot of different types of furniture, different shapes you might want to use. So if there's anything that is kind of complex like this, please feel free to ask me during class and I can do a demonstration of exactly the piece of furniture that you want to put in, exactly in the place where you want to put it. Because each shape is a little bit different. Now, the last thing I'd like you to draw to add is just adding some decorative touches. I'm going to put this window back in here. I feel like this is a little empty now. It's a different shape to make room. Right, and then maybe I'll put another window. Right, so I want you to think about what you would like to use to decorate your room. Try to have fun, be creative with it. You know, maybe you want to add some LED lights or Christmas lights. Right, maybe you want to add some posters or banners on the wall. Maybe you want to think about rugs or textures, any little decorative features. Right, maybe you want to do a Google image search. Get some ideas. Lamps, blankets, pillows. Mirrors, wallpaper, all sorts of good stuff. Round things, you don't have to worry too much about your perspective, although, right, so a round mirror that's going back in space is going to be kind of a squashed mirror, a squashed circle. So. A little bedside table. Right, so again, have fun with it. Ask me for help if you need it. Add some details and finishing touches. And get ready to color.